Hello, Lady Christmas here, ex-Lady Christmas. My name now Magdalena, and all these videos you will see now will be under the name of Magdalena. Also, it will be some poetry there, but it will be Russian language, and I will put the Russian or English. All design work will be in English, mostly. So I really miss you, all my subscribers. I'm back. I have really serious problem in 2020, and I want to show you today how to do wreath. If you have already made swag, and you can actually buy that swag like that in a craft store, and then take wreath like that, fluff it, not straight on the side. Everything, all these branches has to be on the side, and middle part has to be really flat. Then you take in wreath, swag like that, and you squeeze it like half more a little bit, and then you put it in here. See, from another side the same. Then you need to take branches from wreath and from swag and wire them together like this. Guys, be quiet. It's little adorable dogs here watching me. So just do it all over. And also you can take some ribbon like that, matching ribbon, and just tie it around. That's what I'm doing right now. Did you see that branch? And that branch from the wreath, tied it together. Also make sure you light all downstairs here together from both swags. It's so easy, you can do it in 15 minutes, really easy. And it's no headache for people who don't know how to wreath. They just buy wreath from Michael's or Hobby Lobby or any craft store, and then they're doing that like this. See, I take branches. You just need to find one branch from the swag, another branch from the wreath. Squeeze it, and your wreath ready. You see wreath? That's how it will look like. Also, I will advise you what I'm doing right now, because that's swag from last year. Just make it pretty and fluff it. Bow need to be fluffed. Everything need to be fluffed. I'm sure if you will buy already ready swag, you wouldn't have to do so much work, like if you use materials from last year, because you need to make sure everything on a place. And that's two adorable snowmen, so cute. They're facing each other, and all your candy cane stuff, like this one, need to be glued back with glue gun. I always have my glue gun ready. Fluff it. And make sure everything look good. And if it's candy cane or some berries they're sticking around, it's really cute. And if wreath, greenery, you can see greenery from here. It's also look cute, and all light there inside in that wreath. So that's the wreath. I show you technique how to do it, but you can do it yourself, small or bigger, with already ready swags. Just do it really fast and be ready for Christmas. I love you. Merry Christmas to all of you. See you later.